Hello students, welcome to the maths lecture for standard 5th. Now I'm going to continue with my next lecture of unit 4th. Now we are going to start exercise 4th E simplification. Before doing simplification, dear children, first I'm going to tell you about BODMAS. What is BODMAS? See, in BODMAS first it is written B. B means brackets. B means brackets. Then O means off. Then D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And S means subtraction. Means these different signs will be given. First we will solve bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and in the end subtraction. So now see question number 1. 2430 divided by 81 multiplied by 30. Now see in this solution, we will write steps. We will solve step by step. In step 1, now just you remember BODMAS. In BODMAS, first it was bracket. Bracket is not given. Then O, off. Off also not given. Then division. Now see division is given. 2430 divided by 81 means in step 1 we will solve this. We will divide 2430 by 81. Now see same way division. First also we have done. We will see first left hand side digit 8. Then in dividend also left hand side digit 2. 2 is smaller than 8. Not possible. So 24. Now 8 3s are 24. Now check in rough column. 81 3s are what will come? 81 3s are will be 243. 243 minus 243 is 0. And it is given 2430. And this remaining 0 will go in quotient. So answer will be 30. Now see step 2. After division, what it was in BODMAS? Multiplication. What it was? Multiplication. Now see multiplication is also given. Division answer has come 30. Now in 30 multiplied by 30, it means 900. In step 2, 900 will be answer. Okay dear children. Now see next question. Question second A. 4250 divided by 125 minus 40,800 divided by 272 plus 36 multiplied by 166. Remember again BODMAS. Bracket is not given, off is not given, division is given. First we will solve in step 1 division. Now see division is given here 2 times. First it is given 4250 divided by 125. First we will solve this. We will divide and then we will get 34. In step 2 again we will solve division. What is given? 40,800 divided by 272. When you will divide, you will get 150. Now see, after division, what will come in BODMAS? What is there? M, multiplication. Now, in step 3, we will multiply. What will we multiply? 36 and 166. It will come 5,976. Now, we will write all these answers in the question. Means all these values in the question. See, if in question it is given 4,250 divided by 125. Its answer is given in step 1, 34. So in place of these numbers, it will come 34. Now minus sign is given. Then 40,800 divided by 272. Its answer is given in step 2. What is its answer? 150. So we will write in place of these numbers 150. Now plus 36 multiplied by 166. Its answer is given in step 3. 5,976. Okay, written all. Now in step 4th, what will we do? After multiplication, what is there in BODMAS? Addition. Now we will add 34 and 5,976 we will add. We will get 6,010. Then in step 5th, What will be there after addition? Subtraction. We will subtract now. 6010 minus 150. Then its answer will be 5860. Okay, dear. Now see next question. Second B, same it is. 9000 divided by 45 of 20 plus 750 divided by 150. Remember, my dear board mass, I have written also. In step 1, what will come? B for bracket is not given. Then O for given, OF is given here. So first we will solve OF. First you see what is the meaning of OF. OF means multiply. Already we have done. OF means multiply. 45 of 20 means 45 multiplied by 20. It will be 90. Now in step 2, after OF what will come? Division. Here also division given 2 times. 9000 divided by, now what will you write? 45 of 20, answer you will write. You can't write 45 of 20. Its answer you will write. Its answer is 90. So 9000 divided by 90 is equal to 100. Now in step 3, 750 divided by 50, it will come 5. Now in step 4th, you have to write all the values. See, 9000 divided by 45 of 20, what it was? 100. Plus 750 divided by 150, what it was? 5. 100 plus 5, 105. Now see next question. Third A. See, brackets are given here. Small bracket is given. 24 plus 36 multiplied by 64. First we will solve here bracket. Okay dear, first we will solve bracket. How will we solve? The numbers which are written in between the brackets, we will solve them. In between what is given? 24 plus 36. You will add 60 it will be. Now in step 2, answer of bracket was 60. Now 60 multiply 64. You will have to multiply. Then that will be answer. Now see next. It's B part. 4544 divided by 70 minus 38. Same way, first you will solve bracket. In step 1, you will solve the numbers which are given in bracket. 70 minus 38 is equal to 32. And in step 2, what will you do? You will have to divide 4544 divided by 32. Okay dear. Now see next question also same. 72 multiplied by 168 divided by 21 of 16. First we have to solve bracket. 72 and 168 we will multiply in step 1. In step 2, what will you do? We will have to solve OF. Bracket, B for bracket, then O for OF. And OF means multiplication, means we have to multiply 21 and 16. Now in step 3, what will come? See the answer of bracket, answer of step 1, what it was? That answer 12,096 divided by, what is the answer of step 2? 336. You will have to divide. Okay dear. Now next question, see true or false. Here, see in between is equal to sign is given. Before is equal to and after is equal to means left hand side and right hand side. If both are equal, it means it is true, otherwise it is false. See its A part. 12 multiply 9 minus 7 is equal to 12 multiply 9 minus 7. See in bracket left hand side 12 multiplied by 9. First you will solve this 12 multiply 9. It will be 108. Now 108 minus 7. It will be 101. Now see right hand side. 12 multiply in bracket what is given? 9 minus 7. First you will solve bracket means 9 minus 7 2. Then 12 2s are 24. See both the values are unequal means both are not same. It means it is false. Now see I am doing its D part. 115 multiplied by 28 divided by 7 is equal to 115 of, now in bracket it is given 28 divided by 7. Now see first left hand side. First we will multiply 115 multiplied by 28. It will be 3220. Now in step 2, we will have to divide by 7. Sorry, by mistake I have written here 27. It is 7. 3220 divided by 7 is equal to 460. Now see its right hand side. Again, first what will we solve? Bracket. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 because 7 4s are 28. So its answer of bracket will be 4. Then 115 of means multiply. 115 multiplied by 4, 460 again. Both the values are same. It means it is true. Now see my dear children. Now we will learn two kinds of brackets here. Upper one is given smaller bracket and then down it is given curly bracket. First we have to solve small bracket, then we will solve curly bracket. Now see its question. 15 multiplied by curly bracket is given 28 minus, then small bracket is given 17 minus 12, then small bracket closed and curly bracket also closed. First what will we solve? First we will solve small bracket. First we will solve small bracket. What is the number given in small bracket? First 17, then 12. 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. In step 1, 17 minus 12 is equal to 5. Then in step 2, see 28 is given in curly bracket minus. Now what is the answer of 17 minus 12? 5 na? So 28 minus 5 is equal to 23. Now in step 3, 15 multiplied by, what was the answer of step 2? 23. So 15 multiplied by 23 is equal to 345 will be answer. Now see its B part, curly bracket. 17 multiplied by, then small bracket. What is given in small bracket? 112 minus 78, then curly bracket closed, then divided by 289. Now tell me dear children, in step 1 first what will we solve? Small bracket numbers. What are given there? 112 minus 78. What will come? 34. Then in step 2 what will we solve? The number which is given in curly bracket. What is given? 17 multiplied by. Now what is the answer of 112 minus 78? 34 na in step 1. So 17 multiplied by 34. 578. Now in step 3. Step 3, we have to divide this 578 by 289. Already we have done division, my dear. Still, one I am explaining. See, in left hand side what is given? 2. In divisor what is given? 2. And in dividend it is 5. 2 2s are 4. And 2 3s are 6. 6 is not possible. So 2 2s are 4. So you have to do in rough column 289 multiplied by 2. It will be 578. So answer will be, quotient will be 2. This will be answer. Okay dear children. Understood all? So all the best and thank you very much.